to set it up. So there's it. Oh my god, like it's unboxing time. So guys, I'm going to be doing some few unboxing over here of items that I actually got from China, and I'm also going to be taking us through the difference between repacking and consolidation. These two keywords, which are very, very important in mini importation, actually confuses a lot of mini importers. So I'm just going to be giving us a fair idea of what these two actually stands for. Okay, before we get right into the video, do well to like this video, share with friends and family, most importantly subscribe to this channel. On Simply Dorkie's channel, I teach you how to start and grow your mini importation journey. Let's begin with the unboxing. So the very first thing is repacking. Okay, what is repacking? So repacking is just like sending your items. After you are done buying your items within China, you send your items to a repacking agent outside of your shipping company. You actually give it to a repacking agent somewhere to actually pack all your items. So what happens during repacking is that, like this particular package, okay, this package, they will actually open it up, take this particular package off it, and whatever is inside, they put it into a different box. Okay, so that's actually what happens with repacking. And one disadvantage about repacking is that, so let's see what's here. Okay, so actually I got these watches, ladies watches. I just hope they last, and they are called very, very, very beautiful. Like, look at this, look at this, very, very beautiful. I just hope they actually last for me. Let me take this off. Look at that, look at that, with the pearls inside. It's very, very, very beautiful. I just hope they actually last very, very well for me. So this is one of them. And also this particular one, I was so eager to see it because the design was so beautiful. Look at how it looks like. So there's a watch over here, and it's also like a bracelet of that sort. Like, it's very, very pretty. Look at this, look at this, it's very, very pretty. So one disadvantage about repacking is that most of the times your items could get delayed at the repacking agent's place, because you know they are working with so many customers, and also they will have to get all your items. So if you're buying like 20 items that you want to repack, you actually have to wait for all to be brought to their warehouse before they can actually repack your items. Okay, so repacking is just like, you know, they'll have to open it up, and these ones like this, they'll just take only this. So it's only this that will get into a box, right? And you could see that, you know, the package that they kept in was a whole box. So I would have been paying lesser for this if it was in, you know, if a repacking agent had repacked it. To be very small, right? Because these are, but you know, it's also good because the supplier packs it in that way so that it can protect the kind of package that I have over here. Okay, so let's now move to consolidation. Consolidation actually happens most of the times within the shipping company itself. Okay, so once the shipping company gets your items, they'll have to put all your items. So like this one, they wouldn't actually necessarily remove the package. They'll just take it like this, then they'll put it inside one big sack, then they can send your items down. Most of the time, okay, shipping companies will always charge you. They will charge you for this box before they'll put it in another box. So it's just like they're trying to put all your items in one so that you receive it as a package. Okay, but my shipping company, this is how they usually do my items. Okay, so though they don't put it in one box, but when it comes, you can see that they'll put it together, like they'll put everything together. So let me leave this. They'll put everything together, then they'll wrap it. They'll use a solid tape around it. Okay, so that's how the consolidation is done. So this particular one over here is actually a microphone that I actually got for my content creation. Most of the time, most people complain that they can't hear me well. So usually when there's noise around, creating content becomes a whole very, very difficult for me. So I just had to get this. So let me quickly open it up. I just hope it actually serves its purpose. Okay, because this was like very expensive. It's a very expensive microphone. So I just hope it actually serves the purpose for which I actually got it for. I just hope so, right? So let me see. So this is how it comes in. This is the packaging, and I think this is the charger. Yes, so this is the charger. Then here is it, right? Yeah, so one thing I like about this is the fact that, you know, it will be showing you like the percentage of battery that you have, and here is how it looks like. So I'll be having these two. Okay, so I think this is what I will actually use, and this is a spare one if maybe I'm trying to interview somebody. Yes, and also here is actually the receiver, right? So this is how it comes in. Yes, so talking about consolidation, it's not every shipping company that consolidates. There are other shipping companies too that do repacking, but they will charge you extra fee to do the repacking. Every shipping company and their policies. right? So you have to ask the right questions. If only repacking is very important to you, okay, or consolidation is very important to you, before you use any shipping company, you do well to ask the relevant questions. You ask them if they do repacking. You also ask them if they do consolidation before you use them, and you'll be like, oh, please, can't you wait for all my items to be up to the number that I bought before you ship it? No, not everybody does that. So you have to ask the relevant questions even before you go ahead to use them, okay? So the other disadvantage about this consolidation is that, you know, most of the time they will not open the package, so they will still charge you the same way, okay? So that's just the only disadvantage about repacking, right? So let's see. I actually got these. Yes, I hope they are of good quality. I got 2 of them. Like, they're so pretty, like very, very beautiful and good quality. This is how it looks like. So I got it in brown color, and I also got it in black. It's very pretty, right? So let's move to this particular one. The one that I'm so anxious to open is my mannequin. Yes, I actually had to get this mannequin for my wholesalers. When my bills come, I have wholesalers that actually get them from me to also resell, okay? So I actually got this purposely for them, so that when they come, at least you can have it to yourself for that time. You put your items on it, then you you know, you can do your videos and all of that. This is a maternity bag. This actually was supposed to be part of some items that had arrived already, but I think it came in later. Now, so this one, so these are actually shoes. These are shoes for myself. Yes, these are shoes for myself, and I actually got this from one supplier, and I'm so glad that the supplier did this, because some of these suppliers, they would have packed it one for you, but this supplier actually did very, very well. So the story behind these shoes is that I actually did, you know, a review on this particular channel about items that I got, and what these shoes were part of it, or are they heels or whatever, they were part of it. This supplier has very, very good quality. I mean, these are shoes or heels that I already have, but I just decided to get pair because I feel so comfortable in them. They are also very, very good. Like, look at this. Actually, I have the green one. I have the green version of this, and I actually decided to get these new colors. So I got this. The supplier's items are really, really good, and I think these are like 18 or 19 RMB. I actually got them in different colors. I got different items from this supplier. I also got this, like the quality is just top notch. I also got this. Would this be my size? Because it actually looks smaller. And let's quickly finish this, then we move straight to my mannequin. So look at this. This one too is also very, very good and comfortable. Already I have this black. Okay, a thief actually came here to steal it. Yes, and the person is watching me right now. So most definitely I have to just get new ones for myself. So, and I also got the same thing in brown. Okay, I got the same thing in brown. If I say these are comfortable, I really mean they are comfortable. That's why I'm actually rebuying all of this as a gift, right? For we mommies, you need something that you can feel comfortable in, to be able to run around with your people, right? So there's also a difference. Okay, so this is the other one, the black version of the nude one I just showed you. So they are the same designs but different colors, because they are so comfortable and they are very quality. Okay, I've used this for more than a year. I still have the green one, so I decided to actually get that. So yes, as soon as this. Okay, so this is also another black. Okay, yes. The reason why I have smaller ones is because the smaller ones is actually for a sister of mine. Yes, I actually got one pairs for a sister of mine. That's why I have smaller ones in this. Yes, and now remember, I've even forgotten that I bought something to give to somebody. Can you imagine? So now let's go to the mannequin, right? So here is the mannequin, and I'm going to boxing it. So this mannequin is actually very trendy. Yes, almost every clothing almost every clothing vendor has this. So if you are into clothing and you don't have this, I don't know, because it's so trendy. Okay, and the price too is very good. It's moderate at least. So I'll have to set it up. So there's it. Oh my god, like look at this. This is so pretty. So here's how it looks like. Can you see that? Look at this mannequin. Like, look at this mannequin. Look at this mannequin. It's very, very pretty, right? Look at this. So actually, I'm going to actually surprise my people right here. So here is the stand. Here is the stand that I will use to put all of this together, so that I can actually surprise my people. When they come around, all they have to do is to put their items on it. Then they can take the pictures and everything. They can take their videos, and they are good to go, right? So this brings us to the end of my unboxing. Like this video, share with friends, and most importantly subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. It is bye bye.